No light? So this is the... Oh! This is... Ano to? Bathroom.
May bed doon.
Ate, how is it?
Oh, the little kitchen here. You can cook here, toast here, make your coffee here, and fridge. Oh, open.
Relax. Relax.
Uy, ayan, oh, barbecue.
And the king is here. Zachary King. The Zachary. Ang cute. Mag-picture sa kanya dyan. And a little office here. Office. Dito tayo. Yes, baby. You're excited?
Ano to?
Wow! Whee! You're excited. And then, you can, oh, yun, mga wine glass and everything. So, there's a couch here. And, like a little dining area here. And the TV. And mirror. So, outside, my pang barbecue. Oh my gosh. It's so exciting. Wait, babe. And then next, we will go downstairs. Oh, going downstairs. Ano to? Oh. Wash your clothes here. Another cabinet. So here is another
Doon tayo
bed.
sa taas.
Yeah. Ano
Mas
man?
maganda. Kasi, hindi naman mas maganda. Maganda dito ka.
Oh, another shower. Kapoy na kayo si Kay. Ano ba yung kapoy? Pagod. Ang dim, no?
Wow. Point ka na. Dito ayo or hindi ayo. Hindi ayo ang karante.
So this will be our home for 2 days.
May grocery ba dito na malapit?
We miss our dadu.
Kailangan natin ng gulay. Malinis? Gas?
Ganun na lang.
Wow. Hala, linagay pa nila, di ko naman naintindihan. Bueno, when you wise, bonjour, merci, Natalia. Umuulan?
Hindi, yung river natin.
Yung nalagay si river?
San river? San yung sabi niyo pwede maligo? Ay,
Shower.
pool. Let's go, guys, and explore. By the way, we also have here pala, maybe this evening dito kami magtatambay. Para siyang parang bonfire. Ganun. So, lalabas ka din dyan. So, tingnan nyo, guys, yung view dito. So, parang condominium. Tapos, eto, guys. Ang ganda, guys. So, hindi open yan. Wow! I miss Philippines! Ngayon lang nag-river.
sige, mag-running tayo kung sinong mas magbawal ata
Sige, 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 sige. Ay, nakachinelas. Ay,
Pwede, bakit bawal? Kalsada man to.
Ano yung sinasabi niya na mountain?
ha?
Top of the mountain na swimming pool. Saan? Baka dito. Hindi niyo ba doon sa likod? Hindi.
Picture tayo, guys. Ah,
Nail.
pang thumbnail.
Wait lang para.
Di ba dapat
Wala na yung
yung natin?
View. Ano to? Ito ba, oh? Yung... Ayun na, parang may ano siya. Ay, barbecue din? Yung mga marshmallow, ganyan.
Wala namang tao.
Ito ba? Hindi, may ano siya. Oh, yung... Propane.
Dito sa kuwan.
Oh,
Ay, may
ano
may
siya,
propane
oh.
pala.
Mm-mm. May gas siya, no?
Tapos, lagay lang dito yung kuwan. Akala ko, uling.
Nice.
Dito ba? Dito.
May wifi naman. May ano din, tambayan din dun. Yung parang may gas din. Na parang pwedeng magpainit din. Oo.
Itong anak mo, ayaw kumain.
Bakit? Uy. Sumbong kita. So guys, just to add up yung tingnan natin yung ito is yung oven ay microwave. Yeah, oven. And then you can cook here. Yan. Electrified. Yan. May oven sa mama. Tapos ito yung dishwasher. Yan. Dishwasher, oh. Mga plates nyo. Tapos, dito sa taas. Simula tayo dito. Okay. Condiments. And tapos, spoon, plates. Yan, mga kitchenware lang yan. And then here is yung mga baso and stuff. Yan. And here is the plates. Yan. And then this is the fridge. Okay, so walang laman, di ba? Malamang. Yan. So, in the bathroom, so since we're here again, so may stuff na dyan, like shampoo, and you can shower here. Yan, yung shower nila. Simple, but yeah, it's good. Toilet. And then, yeah, they have their towels here and stuff. And then, dito naman may blower and plancha. And, yeah. That's it. So far, so good. Hi, baby, with the lolo. Wow, naku naman, enjoy naman yan ang kuwan. Ang hangin. Ganda ng nature. Hello! Nag-birth na siya doon. Malakas.
Oo. Dalawang beses.
Halaga, your first travel. Your first travel. Social naman yung batang yan. Ha? So guys, medyo naligo na ako. Kaso nga lang, we need conditioner. Kasi parang nag-stiff. So mamaya na ako mag-wash ako ulit ng hair. And then, the people went out to buy some stuff sa grocery. Daddy is sleeping. John is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. So now, I'm just here. Muni-muniing. Muni-muni. So, ang ganda, diba guys? Woody. Medyo wood version siya dyan. Woody house yung atake dyan. So, si baby, ganyan na yung gusto niyang posisyon ngayon. Yan yung ina-explore niya ngayon. Yung nagsa-side view. Ganon. So, magvi-video pa rin ako. We will not end this video here. Ano man yung gagawin namin throughout the day, you'll be with us. So, update ko kayo ulit mamaya. So, currently, what I'm doing right now is that I'm editing the video since my camera is only 107 gigabyte yung capacity ng Osmo Pocket 4. And, yeah, I'm editing it right away. Look at this. Here. Yeah, and then right after that, 9:30 in the morning is we will post right away. So while waiting for them, I'm working. So yeah, ganda lang guys. While the baby is sleeping too. So I hope that after this. I hope that you will continue in watching my vlogs. You continue to support me. I know that I'm just starting. I'm still starting. I'm really enjoying vlogging. I've started vlogging since 2016. And I know that I don't really earn because I always stop videoing. You know, gana-gana lang. But now I already have a baby. You know, he keeps on pushing me to really, you know, do vlogging. And since I'm not already working as a teacher, then I want vlogging to be a part of my daily routine in terms of having this or keeping memories. I am also very, very thankful to my husband kasi he is really supporting me all the way. You know, guys, he gave me this and he allows me to use his tablet. Of course, experimenting again.
You wanna... Oh my gosh, parang malamig na.
Wow.
Do you wanna sit here, baby? You wanna face... Where are you going? Oh yeah, may kape dyan.
Later.
Baka naman na overdose ka na ng kape. Kanina pa tayo nagkakape. Joke lang, wala man. You comfy? Blink twice if you are. Oh, don't blink at all if you are. It means you're comfy.
Wow. 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 Ay, wow. Ito pa masyado kabisado. Ito.
Barbecue.
And we had this. Kamusta, Dad? Wow.
Papainit.
Hindi naman masyado mainit.
Oo. Gaso kasi ito eh. Gas.